In this section, we're going to be talking about the trifecta. In this video, we will be talking about the package resource. And the package resource is used to describe packages on the system. As we showed earlier, packages can be provided by many different providers. In this example, we will be installing Apache or the HTTPD package resource. To install a package, you use the ensure installed, or you can use ensure latest. Now latest, what it'll do is, even if the package is installed, it will go and update to the latest one every time. I actually don't recommend doing this. You should be doing your updates through some other system than Puppet. Most of the time you want to use just installed. Or if you want to lock it to a specific version, you can then set the ensure to that version number. If you wish to remove the package, you can use absent or purged. Absent will just remove the package, whereas purged will actually remove it and remove any configuration files. On Red Hat systems, you'll be using either DNF or Yum, or on Ubuntu, you'll be using apt. Apt or Yum, they'll take care of all these dependencies for you. So in this example, let's just install the HTTP package. So rpm-q httpd, it's not installed. We're going to say puppet apply package.pp, and we'll see that the HTTPD package was created. And when we do an rpm-q httpd, it says that. Now, one interesting thing about this is that another package was installed as a dependency. So if I say rpm-q httpd-tools, I'll see that that was installed also, but I didn't ask for that. I only asked for HTTPD, and that's because Yum found that there was a dependency that was needed to be installed. So now if we want to remove the package, so if we just try absent, so we'll just say puppet apply package-remove -pp, we'll see that HTTP was removed, but the dependency wasn't. And that's going to be a problem if we try to install a specific version. So let's say we have a version that we want to install. If we try to run this right now, we're going to end up with a small problem in that it'll try to update HTTP tools, but it won't know that there's already one there. So what we need to do is remove HTTP tools. So if we make another manifest, and we say we want to remove HTTP tools, HTTPD, and APR, which is another dependency of this package, we're going to say puppet apply package-remove-purged. And what this will do is now it'll erase all of those packages that were dependencies. So these guys have all been removed now. So now if I want to do my package version, where I specified the version here, I say puppet apply package-version. And we'll see that now HTTPD is this version and HTTP-tools is also on that version.